So October is National Kitchen and Bath Month, which I think is a great time to start your remodel of your kitchen or bath, or even your whole home. A lot of the new design trends and things are coming out during October, so it's a great time to start. And if you've already been thinking about it, you have the holidays to work through to find out what it is that you really need and you want as you're entertaining for your family and guests, to know what you really want in that new space in your kitchen or your bath. So definitely start the process in October. Again, you're gonna have a ton of great inspiration photos because it is Kitchen and Bath Month with the NKBA. So now's a great time for you to come into our showroom, check us out, come see some cool designs for yourself, and let's start that process with you and have that consultation here in our beautiful showroom.